Good afternoon, parents, students, and scholars. Today's afternoon read with Mr. Brown is I Like the Rain, written by Claude Belanger, illustrated by Deirdre Gardiner. And this book is actually a sing-along. All right, so I would like for you guys to participate. You'll pretty much catch the drift after the first page. All right, are you ready? All right, let's go. You can sing with me. I like the rain. I like the rain, R-A-I-N, I like the rain. Splish splash. I like the snow, I like the snow, S-N-O-W, I like the snow. I like the wind, I like the wind, W-I-N-D, I like the wind. I like the heat, I like the heat, H-E-A-T, I like the heat. Can't wait till we get back to the beach. I like the hail, I like the hail, H-A-I-L, I like the hail. I cheer for the weather, hip hip hooray, 'cause I like the outdoors and I like to play. Hip, hip, hooray! I like to play, I like to play, P-L-A-Y, I like to play. I like to play. Hope you guys enjoyed today's afternoon read with Mr. Brown. If you enjoyed it, please share, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'd like to discuss what was your favorite weather outdoors. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, and remember, if your day is not great, you have a longer day to make it better. Have a good one.